Welcome to Graybar's residential video series. Today's focus, labor savings. Joining me today to talk about some key market trends are Square D's Brad Wills and Matthew Buscalet.
Safety is always our number one priority, but close behind that is finding ways to save time on the job, because especially now, contractors are having a harder and harder time of finding and keeping labor. So being able to make that labor more productive on the job site is more and more important. So we started years ago with the invention of plug-on neutral, which allowed contractors to stop ever having to wire another pigtail breaker. Then we followed that on with getting rid of knockouts with our quick rip wire management system. And then from that, we said, we know in our gut this has to be much, much faster to install. So we did a study and we found out that they're up to 37% faster. And that's a big deal for contractors. But even there, we learned, hey, there's an opportunity to improve. And so with our latest version, we've made the breaker shorter, so it's easier to work in the panel and the gutter space. We've put the termination screws on the front of the breaker so they're easy to get to, and they're backed out so they're ready to take a wire. So as we looked at entering the wiring device space, we said, okay, how can we bring this same mentality to the job?
So Square D is actually the #2 wiring devices largest manufacturer in the world. And out of really tailored on the labor savings, we really combine all the best features that contractor really liked, such as the side pressure plates, which really allow them to go in and out really faster out of the job. And it's usually a premium offer, so it's standard on the entire offer that we have. We also have the ground wire hole, which allow them to install all the ground very easily and faster. And lastly, from the aesthetic standpoints, allowing them to recognize all the product from Square D, which are all temper resistant. We do not have the non-temper. That's very important because it really helps them having one offer, reduce the number of catalog number that they have to choose from, and go in and out against the job faster.
Thank you, gentlemen. It's easy to see how Square D is focusing on the contractor. With hundreds of locations across the United States, Graybar is proud to be their largest stock and distributor. See you next time.